evening, everyone. I am Krushi Gupta, the host of this webinar, and our today's topic is want versus need. And for representing this topic, we have with us Ms. Rakshana Murthy. She is a happiness life coach and content creator, as well as a writer. Okay. So, as you all know, that our today's topic is a very basic necessity of our life, and that is want and need. And we human beings are revolving around these two things, and that is want and need. Okay. So, ma'am, first of all, for initial 5 to 10 minutes, I want you to explain our today's topic. Okay. Before
Sure.
that, can you please adjust your camera? Like, I cannot see your whole face.
Now it's fine?
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. So over to you, ma'am.
So as Khushi said, I'm a happiness life coach. So we have to go through a course to finish this and get the badge of happiness life coach. So want versus need was one of the topic which was covered when I was taking this course. And I don't know, somehow this topic, I love this topic because it's a very small aspect in our life, but it makes a very big change, and it has a very big impact on our happiness. So first of all, we all have desires. You know, like Lucifer, like he asked, what do you desire? We all have desires. The thing is, we should know to separate two things. Desires are of two things. One is want and one is need. When we go for want is actually temptation, while need is necessity. Need is the most important thing. I'm not going to say that want is completely negative thing, but compared to need, you should never let want take control over you. For example, if there is a person who is very hungry, who hasn't eaten the whole day, and then he wins a lottery. Okay, not a very big lottery, but then a small lottery, and he gets 200 rupees. He goes to a place and he sees two restaurants. One is very lavish restaurant which has delicious food, but is very costly. The other one is a small one which also has a delicious food but has reasonable rate. So if the person decides to go to a lavish restaurant, he's letting his want take control over him. At the end of the day, okay, if he goes on into any of the restaurant and he comes out, the goal is to have his stomach filled. But if he's going to the bigger restaurant and he has delicious foods or luxurious food, he's not going to have sumptuous amount of food. He's not going to have enough to fill his stomach. He'll still be hungry when he comes out. So if he's going to ask himself what he wants and what he needs, and he gets the answer that what he needs right now is to quench his hunger, so he should be going to the smaller hotel. So that's what is important. We need to differentiate when we go for, when we are letting something, when something lures, we need to ask ourselves if we need that or if we want that. Most of the time, for example, if malls are the biggest place that the want and need plays an important role, because when we go into a shop and a salesperson comes to us and he keeps talking to us, he's actually he's pushing our want to take control over us. So we get a lot of things, we come home and then we think that I don't actually need this. Why did I get this? I got so carried away in the, he was keeping on saying all these technical things and I bought it. So that is what. But I'm not going to say want is a very bad thing. But if we are going to let want take control over us, it will always follow guilt. Need is something which fills a void in our life. It gives us the satisfaction. It gives us that, okay, something was missing, which that basic need has, that was covered, that void was covered. But it's not a thing with want. Want usually, it is followed by guilt. Once we let want take over us, that thought of, we let it happen, we get things what we want, we are mostly, even if not immediately, later on we always feel guilty that I shouldn't have bought that or I shouldn't have done that. So we should always have control. There's a theory of Freud, which is a human personality has three things: id, ego, and superego. It is the thing that we all have this fire, that urge to have something or do something. It is that urge, that fierce thing to accomplish or get things. Ego is the thing that gives it direction. For example, if I'm in a classroom and the teacher is keeping on going on talking about something, and I need to go out and enjoy my life. I don't want to be inside the class. It will tell me to get up and just walk out. That is being rude. I'm letting my want take over me. But there will be a voice in me which will say that no, this is not the right thing to do. You can sit right now. You can enjoy later after the class is done. That is the ego. But super ego is which gives us that moral standards, which tells us if it is actually necessary, even that thought. Do we need that thought? That is super ego. So we need to make sure that we always have it under control. We should always make sure that super ego is something that takes over it. It taking over us is going to cost us a lot. Probably, okay, if I give an example that my mobile is perfectly functioning, or my TV or my car is perfectly functioning, and I can still afford a costlier mobile, and I go and afford it, I get it just because I want it, not because I need it.
Yeah.
And then, okay, I'm happy, I'm satisfied. There's a sense of accomplishment. And
Yeah.
I don't get what I want, it is going to hurt me.
Yes.
So we should always have that control, that that sense of think that no, this is not necessary right now, and I don't need it. I'm not gonna say we should never ever get things or do things that we want. We should not just do things that we want. We should always have thought in our mind if it is necessary or not. So that is what want and need plays a very important role in our happiness. So we need to have that control over us and not let want take control over us, and always make a list. Actually, if we are going for any job or any purchasing or making a decision, we should always have pros, and it's like pros and cons. Do I need this or do
Yeah.
I want this? And if need has a lot of points above want, like there are a lot of points in the need column, we should go for it, because finally there won't be guilt that okay, I did this, so that is worth it. So we should
Yeah.
always take care and do what we need.
Yeah, exactly मैम. Okay, तो अगर मैं आपने जो भी एक्सप्लेन किया, अगर मैं उसको कंक्लूड करूँ, तो what I
हाँ.
think is कि अगर आप अपनी नेसेसिटीज के साथ वर्क करते हो, तो you are more on money saving part.
Mhm.
Then you can
Not
use the
just
differentiate between. Yeah, please.
Khushi, I'm sorry, that your video got stuck in
Okay,
between.
so am I
Can you
able to?
repeat the question?
Yeah, sure. It was like कि अगर मैं इसे conclude करूँ, आपने जो भी बोला, you have created a good difference between need and want. तो अगर हम इन चीजों के बीच में बैलेंस रखेंगे, तो इट विल बी लाइक, हाँ ऐसा होता है कि हम शॉपिंग मॉल्स में जाते हैं और वो सेल्समैन अपनी पूरी सेल्समैन को एक्सप्लेन करता है, उसके इंटेलिजेंस से दिखाता है, एंड इट्स लाइक हम एक चीज लेने गए थे और हम 4 चीजें लेके आते हैं.
Chat.
तो इट्स मोर अबाउट सेल्फ कंट्रोल, राइट? तो अगर मैं
I'm not going to say कि अभी मॉल जा रहे हैं तो कुछ लेना ही नहीं है, कि वो सर्विसमैन
Yes.
बोल रहा है तो आई शुड गो एंड से कि नहीं, तुम तो मेरे को मतलब बोले जा रहे हो ताकि मैं ये ले लूं, मैं तुम्हारे मतलब आई शुड टेक योर वर्ड्स लाइक आई शुड गेट एंड आई शुड गेट, नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ. चाहिए, अच्छा लगा, ओके, दैट शुड नॉट गो एकदम बियॉन्ड नहीं जाना चाहिए कि अच्छा ये भी ले लिया, देन द नेक्स्ट सर्विसमैन लाइक ही विल बी लाइक सेल्स पर्सन विल बी अच्छा इनको हाँ ले रहे हैं, ये एक चीज ले लिया इन्होंने तो नेक्स्ट भी ये ले लेंगे. दैट इज देयर स्ट्रैटेजी. दैट इज
Yes.
दे आर नॉट रॉन्ग. We will be wrong if we let them do that thing and we keep on just buying whatever he tells us. So that एक होना चाहिए कि हाँ बस है ये there should be a limit. नहीं ये
Yeah.
है I should not cross this limit.
Yeah, exactly. They are doing their work. Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. So shall we move to our question answer?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. So, ma'am, it is always said that wants and needs are to be balanced to meet the financial needs. So, I want you to share your opinion on this statement.
Of course, like I said, in superego and ego, there should be a perfect balance between superego and it, so that there is no, we don't feel very guilty for buying a lot, like getting a lot of things that we wanted that is of no use, or doing things that may have placed us in a bad place, or also feeling guilty for restraining us from doing things that you should let yourself do sometimes too. So there should be a perfect balance. So if you're going to ask me about in finance way, I must say that there should be a balance. Like, okay, if I get a home, probably I'll get things that I need, but I should also allot some things that will make my house look beautiful, because that is what I want.
Yeah. Okay. So, ma'am, how do we get what we need from our surroundings, from our environment?
Okay. This is like we got to ask ourselves a question. Like, is this a necessity? Like, is this something which is going to be a use to us? I can go and like in for example, I can get myself a lot of friends.
Yeah.
Okay, but then I if I don't want to be social and I get myself a lot of friends, I'm putting myself into just because of peer pressure, I'm going to get myself a lot of friends. I'm putting a lot of pressure on myself. Okay, what I need is just one true friend who will be there when I'm down and low and who will listen to me. I need not push myself to like put on a smile every time somebody's talking to me and be fake to people. I don't need that. So if I'm going, if you're asking me, okay, even if you're going to ask me about the things that are around us, I just should get things that I need. So, for example, if my laptop is not working properly, I might go and just get it repaired because I need it. I should not just go and get a new laptop because I want it. So that's the difference. We should always think कि हाँ ये चाहिए क्या, अगर नहीं इसकी जरूरत नहीं है तो we are not gonna go for it.
Yes, yes. Exactly, ma'am. Human का mind जो है वो इस तरीके से बना हुआ है कि if उसके पास अगर कोई चीज होती है, so we always need more. तो हमारी I think हमारी जो wants हैं, जो हमारी desires हैं, those are endless. और उनके ऊपर अगर हमने कंट्रोल कर लिया ना, तो for me it's like you are into the path of being monk. Because उन लोगों को पता होता है अगर उनको खाना है तो उनको सिर्फ जीने के लिए खाना, not because वो टेस्ट ले रहे हैं. So I think that's the difference, right?
That's what. Even like हाँ जैसे आपने बोला, if you have a TV, उसका एक फंक्शन है कि वो एंटरटेन करे तुमको.
Yes.
ये नहीं है कि I should keep myself कि अभी मेरा जो टीवी मैंने लिया है इट्स वर्किंग एकदम परफेक्टली, इट इज डूइंग इट्स जॉब, जो बेसिक जॉब है वो कर रहा है वो. बट जस्ट बिकॉज आई सी एडवर्टाइजमेंट कि एक बड़ा टीवी आ गया मार्केट में, आई शुड नॉट गो एंड गेट अ न्यू टीवी बिकॉज जो नीड है वहाँ फुलफिल हो रहा है. व्हाई शुड आई push myself and go get a new TV? That is wrong.
Yeah, if I talk about nowadays, so people are more into show off. So most of the people do this कि सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए चलो get the new TV. So it's like this.
So it is not to please us. It is to please others, which in itself is an unnecessary thing because
Yeah,
they are not going. Why do I need to do something to please others?
एग्जैक्टली. बट यही बात हो जाती है ना मैम कि लोगों को ये चीजें कौन समझाए. ओके, सो हियर माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन चीजों को डिफरेंशिएट करने का लाइक व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर कि हमें हमारी लाइफ में नीड्स क्या है, वांट्स क्या है, ये चीज सिंपली समझ आता है और हम इस चीज को रियलाइज करना स्टार्ट करें. लाइक व्हाट दैट प्रोसीजर.
यू आस्किंग मी मतलब कि कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करें
Yes.
व्हाट इज अ नीड एंड ओके. पहली बात तो इफ समथिंग कुछ भी हो, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल what can I say? If it is very hot at my place
Yeah.
and my AC is not working right now, then there it is a need कि मतलब वहाँ पे कुछ है कुछ नहीं है. That is, it has to do its work which is not being done. मतलब एक void है तो मेरे को वो
Yeah.
fill करना पड़ेगा. That is need. So I should get a mechanic who will repair my AC.
Yeah.
But if I say, okay, this is a very small example. If it is a winter season and there's no need for me to repair my AC just because कि हाँ अभी ऐसे ही पड़ा है AC, I should get it repaired. तो वो want हो गया ना, तो वो
Yes.
there's no use. चाहिए ही क्या उसका?
Yes, yes. Exactly.
For
I agree with
for
your
even
point.
I get carried away by things. जैसे मेरे को ना स्टेशनरी आइटम्स देखने मेरे को I just I like stationery items. I get a lot of things, notebooks, sticky notes and all. But then I get them and I don't use it. And after a point, I think, why did I get them? I'm not using them. So that is
Yeah.
what. So you should think that when you're gonna do something, you have to think of the future. What are gonna be the consequences? Is it going to be useful to you? Is it something that is actually going to fulfill a necessity and not just your sense of accomplishment? So if it is going to be a necessity, it is a need. If it is just something that will please your desire, that urge and that sense of accomplishment, then probably it's a want. So you should think over it if you need that thing or not.
Yes, ma'am. I agree with your point. Okay. So, ma'am, there are two statements. First one is give people what they want, and the second is give people what they need. So, which is
Okay.
the better one, and why?
Okay. Okay, Kushi. I'll ask you one question to answer this. You give me the answer, and we'll probably get to a conclusion. Imagine two scenarios. One is a friend, and one is a homeless person. So, if which is going to give the other person a lot of happiness? If you're going to gift your friend something they want, or if you're going to give that homeless person warm clothes. I'm so sorry. I had technical issues here. मेरा net थोड़ा यहाँ reception. Okay, so getting back to your question, if you have a friend and a homeless person, okay, imagine two scenarios: a friend and a homeless person. Which side is it going to? The happiness is going to be more if you give your friend if you're going to give your friend a birthday gift what they want, or if you're going to give a homeless person warm clothes,
Homeless person want.
because that is a need. They
Yeah.
need it. So I think the second one is what I'll go with.
Give people what they need. Okay, fine. Okay, so ma'am, how to celebrate what we have with us? I mean, how to satisfy ourselves in whatever we have.
Mm-hmm. Okay, this is something about our mind.
Yeah.
Okay, first step to be satisfied with what we have, to be grateful about it. We need to be grateful that we have it. We need if I'm grateful for whatever I have, I'm grateful that I have a house today. I have a roof above me. That means yes. So if I have a roof above me, maybe I'll build a better house later when I'm able to. So
Yes.
right now I have a roof which is doing its job. I have food, I have dress, I mean clothes to wear. So I'm great. If I'm grateful, first step is to be grateful. Like I'm thankful for having all these things in my life. I'll be satisfied with what I have. Once if I think that I don't like this dress, I'm not thankful for this dress, I'll be going to get another one. So if I
Yes.
need to be satisfied, I mean, I need to be, thankful for what I have, first of all. Like my hands are filled. Whatever I have, it's enough. I should say it's enough. That is when I'm satisfied with whatever is the in life.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So, is it human nature always to want what you don't have? Like, is that a human nature, or one can control over your wants?
Oh, no, no, I didn't get you.
Basically, now I wanted to ask you, like, is it human nature always to want what they don't have, or either we can control on our wants and desires?
Uh, Yes, yes, it's human. It's natural for all of us to have desires. It's not wrong at all. But it is wrong when we don't have a control over it. It is completely natural to have desires. We are humans, we are built that way to want
Yeah.
something, to have something. We just, that is our mind business, a mindset to have that control. So we go wrong when we don't have that control. We lose that control. Otherwise, having desires is never wrong.
Exactly, ma'am. So basically, we need to balance it between our wants and needs. Okay.
Yes.
So it is not on one part. कि हाँ, need should be more focused and want should be less. Should be
But now,
balanced.
if I'm going to concentrate more on my needs, I am
Yes.
going to be very strict with myself. So that should
Yeah.
not happen, right? I should let myself do sometimes. I should
Okay.
also get things what I want, but not all.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, for this section, I
Audible,
have
Kushi?
thought कि आप yeah. Can you see me?
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Now it's fine.
Okay. So ma'am, basically before this talk, I have thought
Mm-hmm.
कि ये जो पूरा talk होगा वो need पे ज़्यादा focus होगा. So I
Mm-hmm.
have made one question, and now you just
Okay.
let's imagine you are on the side of need, and I just
Okay.
wanted to ask you one question. Like, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food,
Yes.
biryani.
Okay, great. Okay, so let's imagine कि आपने
Okay.
लॉकडाउन में लॉकडाउन में बिल्कुल भी बिरयानी का शक्ल भी नहीं देखा है, आपने बिल्कुल खाया भी नहीं
Mm-hmm.
कुछ भी, एंड आफ्टर
Mm-hmm.
8 months आपको कोई ऑफर करता है कि लेट्स टेक दिस बिरयानी एंड ईट इट,
Okay.
तो आप सिर्फ अपनी नीड के अकॉर्डिंग खाओगे, या फिर आपका पेट भर गया एंड you'll take one more spoon for the taste because that is your want. So what is your opinion? Like, आप सिर्फ पेट भरने के लिए खाओगे या you'll have it more?
सी अभी लाइक आई सेड, अभी पेट भरने के लिए मैंने एक स्पून नहीं, मैंने ज्यादा ही खा लिया. ओके, एंड देन आई गो होम एंड आई एम सो फुल दैट आई एम नॉट इवन एबल टू मूव. एंड
Yeah.
इन द सेंस अभी जैसे बहुत खा लेते हैं तो ऐसा हो जाता है ना कि वी नॉट
Yes.
रेडी एबल टू. देयर बी अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट तो होगा ना कि यार नहीं, आई वाज सो फुल, मैंने फिर भी 2 स्पून खा लिया. वो गिल्ट नहीं चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. तो वांट, इफ यू गोइंग टू वांट, देयर विल बी अ लिटिल सेंस ऑफ गिल्ट. होगा, वो पक्का होगा.
हाँ, that will be, वो चीज लास्ट में हो जाता है, बट पहले तो you have
हाँ.
decided to eat more. Exactly.
इवन लास्ट में भी होगा तो इट इज समवेयर गोइंग टू बॉदर यू, राइट? सो हम क्यों, व्हाई शुड बी ऑप्ट फॉर दैट स्ट्रेस? नहीं चाहिए. विल बी हैप्पी ना विदाउट दैट गिल्ट.
Okay, so कि लास्ट में ऐसे गिल्ट होगा, तो आप सिर्फ आपको जितना आपकी स्टमक को जितनी नीड है आप उतना ही खाओगे, आप एक स्पून भी ज्यादा नहीं लोगे.
हाँ, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज गिल्टी प्लेजर ना. जैसे वी कॉल इट गिल्टी प्लेजर, राइट? इवन इफ वी डोंट नीड इट, वी पुश आवरसेल्फ एंड वी ईट. दैट इज I'm not going to say that is wrong. Like I said, we need to
Right.
balance between want and need.
Yes.
But even then, at some point, it is going to be like, अभी तो थे हम लोग एक स्पून भी ले लिया ओके या फिर एक स्पून ले लिया हमने तो हमारा माइंड और एक चीज बोलेगा कि अभी खा ही लिया है तो हम और थोड़ी स्पून ले लेते हैं ना थोड़ा और खा लेते हैं हम सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी अ प्रॉब्लम लेटर तो वांट इज दैट थिंग इट इज वेरी अडिक्टिव कि एक बार मिल गया ना एक तो नेक्स्ट वी नीड इट मतलब हमको चाहिए अभी मैंने या इट्स नाउ क्लियर वाज आई ऑडिबल टिल नाउ व्हाटएवर आई सेड
Yeah. Okay. No, ma'am, you are stuck somewhere. I don't know. Yeah.
so that is what like एक spoon ले लिया तो again and again I want it. That is what is want. It is very addictive. कि once I get what I want, next thing will be my mind will tell me कि now that you got what you want, next time also you'll get what you wanted. And when at a point I don't get what I wanted, it is going to end up. It will give me sadness. That is obviously I'm paving a path for my own sadness,
Yes. Yes.
which is not necessary.
Yeah, I agree with that point. But ma'am, again, जब आपने खाया तो you were somewhere happy कि आपको आपकी favorite dish खाने को मिल रही है. And that was the point where you were so very happy तो आपने एक spoon ज़्यादा खा लिया. I think there is some technical issue from her side. Okay, now.
Yeah. I think is it on my side because my network is usually not very good, but it's coming. I mean, I'm catching better network now, so I'm sorry if there is interruptions in between.
That's okay, ma'am. It happens. Okay. So I was saying कि जब आपने वो एक स्पून ज़्यादा खा लिया आपका पेट भर गया तो at the starting process,
Audible now?
you were happy. तभी
I'm so sorry for the interruptions. I think I'm having network issues here.
Yeah, that's okay, ma'am. Okay, so I was saying कि जब आपने वो एक स्पून ज़्यादा खाया आपका पेट भर गया तो somewhere you were happy. Just because 8 months के बाद आपको आपकी फेवरेट डिश मिली है और आपने जैसे ही देखा एंड आपकी your mouth is just watering. So that is right. So at some point you were happy, but then again वो फिर पेट फुल हो गया and then again वो sadness आ गया वो guilt आ गया. So that is revolving. And ma'am, what exactly I wanted to ask you कि ऐसी चीजें हम लोगों के साथ हमेशा होती है. But still we have that crave of eating the food. हमें पता है.
That is what.
हमें पता है हम जंक फूड खाएंगे, obesity होगा, fat increase होगा. Okay, but still we are doing those things. So like what is that reason? या के mind में ऐसी एक क्या चीज बनी हुई है जो हमें हर चीज के लिए इतना provoke करती है?
That is only called as desire. Okay, that is the fire inside us. जब हमको मिल जाता है ना जब हमको कुछ चाहिए जैसे अभी बोला हमको जंक फूड खाना होता है हम जंक फूड खा लेते हैं. वो एक होता है कि हम एक माइंड में होता है कि अभी मेरे को जंक फूड खाना है एंड आई गो गेट माई जंक फूड तो एक सेंस ऑफ अकम्प्लिशमेंट आ जाता है कि मुझे खाना था मैं गया और मैं आई गॉट इट एंड आई एट इट. तो वो एक है कि हाँ मैंने जो सोचा मैंने कर लिया. दैट इज व्हाट इज यू दैट गिव्स यू प्लेजर कि हाँ मैंने जो सोचा मैंने कर लिया. आई हैव गॉट इट आई हैव अकम्प्लिश्ड इट. So that is what is it keeps pulling you towards things that you shouldn't be doing. तो जैसे अभी एक बार हो गया कि हाँ मैं जंक फूड को खाना तो हो गया अगले दिन भी वही थॉट आएगा अगले दिन पे हम वही करेंगे. तो इट इज एडिक्टिव.
एग्जैक्टली. ओके, सो आई वाज समवेयर थिंकिंग कि हाँ आपका जो पॉइंट है शायद मैं उससे थोड़ा बाहर निकल के मैं आपको मेरे पॉइंट को सेटिस्फाई करने का चीज ला पाऊँ बट यू वेरी मच स्टिक टू योर पॉइंट. दैट्स सो कूल.
In the sense, there is a fire inside us, right? That is called as desire. So when you tell yourself कि नहीं चाहिए नहीं यार आज नहीं किसी और दिन, then you're
Yes.
putting out that fire. So
Yeah.
जो
Yes.
फायर हो गया है, बुझ गया है, तो अंदर एक ये हो गया है कि कैसे बुझा कैसे दिया है इसने, वो नहीं चाहिए, बुझाना नहीं चाहिए था. इट शुड हैव वो फायर और ब्राइट और हॉट होना चाहिए था. दैट इज व्हाट इज वांट. वो वांट होता है व्हेन यू से कि नहीं, नो आई डोंट नीड दिस. यू आर सिंपली जो फायर है उसको बुझा रहे हैं ताकि एक अंदर हो जाए, अच्छा ठीक है, नहीं आई डोंट नीड दिस राइट ना, हो गया.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So my next question to you is, like, let's suppose you are very rich. You are very rich. Like, you can just throw cash on the salesperson and you can buy Mercedes. Okay. So there
Okay.
is two choices. The first one is Alto and the second one is Mercedes. You are the richest person.
Okay.
Let's suppose. And
Okay.
you have two choices.
Okay.
Which car you will buy? Mercedes or
Okay.
that Alto?
Okay, I just like I said, uh, at that point I'll get myself a Mercedes. Okay, because I'm ready, I can afford it, so I'll go and get
Yeah.
myself a Mercedes. Okay, there is in the sense that will not be affecting me in the future. There's not going to be any consequences of
Yeah.
it. But I'll ask you one question. If there comes a point, then when you're not able to, take your Mercedes for, to the mechanic service center, okay, there comes a point when you own that car for 3 years and you run out of money and you're not able to give a proper service to that car. At that point of time, you would think, I shouldn't have got this car. I never needed this lavish car. So there is if not immediately, at a course of time, in a long run, there will be some guilt that will follow. That you will question yourself that you should have got the other one. Why did you get this one?
Okay. So so you are saying if you will be buying Alto, so there will be no guilt. Okay. Nice. I like that. Okay.
And one more thing, even if I have money for to give proper service to my car, even if
Yeah.
after 3 years I can afford a proper service, there
Yeah.
will be something. We cannot have everything we want in life.
Yes.
Yeah, let it. Just because we have money doesn't mean we'll have everything we want in life. So
Yeah.
if comes a point where I'm not able to get what I want, that fire I'll have to compel that fire to, I have to put it away forcefully, and that is going to hurt me a lot. एक पॉइंट पे जाके जब मेरे को कुछ जो मेरे को बहुत चाहिए है वो मेरे को नहीं मिलता, तो आई फील वेरी सैड.
Yes.
Okay, so we need to cut our coat according to our size every time.
Yes. Exactly. Yeah, we do that frequently. Okay. So, ma'am, I think that whatever the information you have shared and the difference which you have created between want and need was so very insightful. Like, I got each and every point in very deep manner. So yeah, I have literally enjoyed this session. Okay, so now it's a rapid time. So at last moment, I just want you to say some words about Webicon India.
No, I didn't get you, Kushi. Can you repeat the question? You got stuck
Yes,
in
sure.
between.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so at last I want you to say some words about Webicon India.
Okay, Webicon is like actually when you guys approached me and like I looked up at your page and I was like, wow, they're doing an incredible work, because and in this pandemic this time, lot of people are looking for counseling services and meditation and fitness and all, and you guys are doing it for them and you're making it easy for them to get all these services, and I'm so glad to be a part of your team, because I don't know, we are indirectly making a lot of people happy. You guys are like, you when somebody is lost and they come and land up in your page, they're gonna be so happy to find out that wow, they're giving such services, and they're gonna be quite satisfied. So I feel like Webicon is doing a very nice work.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you so
helping a lot
much.
of people, and it's amazing.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so thank you very much for joining our today's session, and thank you so much for letting us understand the basic difference between want and need. And I have really enjoyed it a lot. And I was somewhere thinking, I just want to just make you unstable on your point, but you was very much intact with the points. Okay, so I just like that thing so much. Yeah, literally, I'll say like that's incredible.
You've been an amazing host, Khushi. I liked interacting with you. It was lovely.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so we'll see you next time.
Yeah, thank you, Khushi. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye bye.